Welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 Parcel Perfect Shipping plugin. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you the workflow at the customers end, how they can make use of the uh, Parcel Perfect Shipping carriers, how they can select the carrier so as to get their products delivered at their doorstep. And apart from that, we'll be seeing how the store admin whose store is based on the Magento 2 platform would be able to integrate the Perfect shipping plugin within his store itself. And as we know that the Parcel Perfect Shipping is a software development company for courier industries and provides parcel tracking technology for shipping the products to a number of countries like Southern Africa, UK, Europe, USA, Australia, Singapore, Hong Kong, and the mainland China as well. The store owner can basically manage the shipping in the orders, can print invoice, and can also add handling fee from his admin panel. So let's go to the storefront first and let's see how the customers can make use of the carriers, and then we'll come back to the admin and then the initial configurations for the plugin. So right now I'm at the Magento 2 platform based web store, as you can see right now, and I'm on the customer login page. Now as a customer, I'll be logging into my account by entering my email and the password. So I've logged into my account and you can see that I've already logged in. Now I'll be placing an order for some products, and then we'll be showing you the workflow of the shipping there itself at the time of checkout. So let's go to the jacket section, and actually right now there are already 3 products in my cart there, so let me add one more. And thereafter we'll be just making a checkout. So I've just added Juno jacket and the Jade yoga jacket as well. So here we have the Juno and the Jade, and 3 more products are there. Now the order total is 309. Let's tap on the proceed to checkout button, and right now we are at the checkout page, as you can see right now. And on the right hand side we have the order summary along with the 5 products in cart along with their variations as well, so you can see the details as well for them. And here under the shipping methods, now the customer can see the Parcel Perfect Shipping there, and accordingly the customer can choose the available carriers that can be used by the customer to get the order delivered at their own zip code. So from these I'll just select one that's for the $169.60. That's the economy road. We also have the road freight and the overnight air. So I'll just choose economy road, and I'll just tap here on the next button. And on the payment page we'll be choosing our billing, and then we'll be choosing the agreement and the terms and conditions, and the payment method for this particular order, that's auto selected for the check and money order, and we have to make a payment for $416.80, within which for the Parcel Perfect Shipping for the economy road is for $169.60. So now I'll just tap here on the place order button, and the order has been placed, and this is our order number. Let me tap that up as a customer and let's check the details. So here's our order number 08, and we have the 5 for 5 products. Total is for $416.60, and the shipping is $169.60 for the basically the shipping carrier that we had chosen. That was the economy road. That comes under the Parcel Perfect Shipping there. So here you can see that the shipping method was Parcel Perfect Shipping, and the carrier chosen was the economy road one, and the other details as well. So that's how the customers can usually choose the Parcel Perfect shipping method at the checkout, and can choose from a list of available carriers that the customer can choose, or the ways the customer can get the orders delivered, like the airmail is there, then we have this economy road and much more. Now let's get to the admin backend panel, and let's see how this plugin can be configured and the rest of the initial configurations. So for that, let me take you to the admin backend panel now. So here I'm at the store backend, and I'll be logging into the admin account by entering my username password for my Magento 2 web store admin panel. And after login, we can navigate to the orders section. So first we'll just check that particular order that we just placed, that was order number 08, and here we are on the orders section. So I'll just scroll down a bit. Here's our order pending $416, and I'll tap view link under the actions column to check the details of the same. And thereafter you can see it says the order number 8, and under the information section for the order, the admin can see the payment method. That's not the thing, but actually the shipping and the handling information. So here we have the Parcel Perfect shipping with the economy road for $169.60. So the economy road has been chosen by the customer, and after checking the details here, the admin can create the shipping. And to do so, we just need to tap here on the ship button. I'm really sorry for that. That's a small mistake there. Actually, after the admin has checked the details of this particular order and checked that the economy was used for the perfect Parcel Perfect shipping, economy road for $169.60 was used. Now the admin will have to generate the invoice, and this invoice will also be having the same shipping and handling information that you can see here, that the customer was also able to see under his own account panel. And on the new invoice, the admin will just tap here on the submit invoice button. You can see the shipping and handling is $169.60. Now let's go to the invoice section for this particular order, and we'll just tap that up to check the details of the invoice. So here we are on the invoice of this particular order, and here you can see the shipping and handling is for $169.60, and the grand total is for 416.80. And now if I refresh the customer end here, we'll be able to see the invoice available at the customer's end. Let's tap on that, and this should bring up the details of the invoice for the customer for the respective order that he has just placed. And from here you can see the complete list of the products and the shipping and handling for the same, that's for $169.60, along with the shipping method used by the customer. Now let's go back to the admin backend panel, and to make the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin, the admin needs to navigate through stores and then tap on the configuration, and on the configuration page on the left hand side we'll go to the sales drop down, and there we'll be tapping on the delivery methods. That brings up the complete list of delivery methods within your Magento 2 web store, default ones and the add-ons as well. And here we are having the integrated Parcel Perfect shipping now, and the admin can enable this option to allow the customers to choose their appropriate shipping method for getting the products delivered. Then we have username, password. So these two details can be gathered from the Parcel Perfect web store. So after you're registered there, your username for login there would be entered here as well, and the password for that web login would be entered here. So you'll enter your perfect parcel, the Parcel Perfect username and the password within these. Then you can choose whether you want to make use of this particular plugin in the production mode. So the production is the live mode, so you can choose a yes. Otherwise, to make it in the testing mode, then you can choose a no for that. And here you'll be having to add the test URL basically from the Parcel Perfect. So you can reach out to the Parcel Perfect to get your sandbox, what we say as the web service URL here. And accordingly, the admin can also set up the title. So this is the title that is visible to the customers as well as to the admin. So here you can see the title, and the same was visible under the payment methods at the checkout time as well to the customers. So let's go back, and the method title is parcel perfect. The handling fees can be added by the admin. You can show the method if it's not applicable, otherwise you can choose a no to not display the method, and then the error message would get displayed to the customer that you have entered here. And thereafter you just need to tap here in the save configuration button to complete the initial configurations for your product. And I just did a mistake here for the last option. So basically we have the show method if not applicable. So if the shipping method is not applicable for a zip code, then we can choose a yes, and this would display the name of the shipping method. Alright, and would display this particular error that you have entered here. Otherwise, if you don't want to show the method, if it's not available at a particular zip code, then you can choose it as a no, then the shipping or the parcel perfect shipping would not be displayed to the customer. So that was much, and let's go back, and that was much about the Magento 2 parcel perfect shipping plugin by Webcool, and we have integrated it within the Magento 2 web store itself. And I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you will raise a ticket at webcool.uvides.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and